Welcome to this short online tutorial on approaching a literature review delivered to you by the Ask Academic Skills Service. This session shall look at some tips for approaching the research process, some ways to help you form a basic plan to review your materials, and some helpful strategies to help get your material organised. So how do we go about creating a great review? Well, we need to follow the steps on screen: researching, making a plan, organising our material, and then writing several drafts. Researching for your review is the first stage, and we need to find relevant literature on your topic and follow trails of references too. This means being selective and making decisions as to what you think are relevant resources which you should be incorporating into your literature review. You need to also identify key themes, ideas, and stages in the approach to the topic. Finding relevant literature can take you down various paths. If you're looking in the library, make the most of the library catalogue and the subject-specific pages. Speak with your relevant subject liaison librarian, who will be able to suggest suitable and appropriate databases and journals which you can access. When looking online, have a look at databases, articles, websites, but remember to interrogate these as to whether or not they are legitimate and worthwhile, and whether or not they are relevant to your particular topic area and focus. Google Scholar can also be helpful. Other ways of finding literature are to start off by looking at your reading list, which is given to you by your subject lecturer. They often have asterisks or required readings which are highlighted, so that's a great starting point. Also pay attention to any recommendations given to you by tutors, lecturers, and your fellow peers. And have a look at what other authors refer to in the readings that you find helpful and relevant to your topic area. Starting with a plan is crucial. The table in front of you can help to get your material organised. You can change the headings and add or decrease the number of columns that you see on screen. But keeping in mind who has written what, when something was published, and the principles or key ideas of a document, and putting your answers and notes into a table like this can help you to quickly access information and to help you compare and contrast between all of your readings. You can organise your review in various ways. One way may be in terms of chronology. You might be able to show advances or changes over time. You might want to highlight issues which you want to address in your review. Another way is thematically. So you might organise your review by looking at key issues, themes, and debates. You may also want to isolate particular key issues of specific interest which you want to draw the reader's attention to. You can also organise your review in terms of methodology. If doing so, you'll be looking at different methods, but remember to evaluate them and not simply just describe them. You might also want to identify key methods which you find the most suitable and most relevant to your topic area and is related to your particular methodological approach. In summary, remember the importance of relevance when researching and engaging with the materials you read. Make a plan to help you compare and contrast sources, and organise your material appropriately to help form a structure to your review. Have a look at our other dissertation-related videos to help you with the process. For further information, check out the Ask website, and if you're a Brunel student, have a look at our Blackboard section and interactive resources. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. You can also book an appointment with an Ask advisor by looking at our pages online, and contact us at ask@brunel.ac.uk.